Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm here to show you the skyline of Nairobi city from high up above. I hope you guys enjoy. I always tell you this city is very beautiful, man. It's very beautiful and developed. Just look at this, man. We just have to reduce the chaos down there, and this can be one of the best cities in Africa and even in the world. You know, I love Nairobi and I love Kenya so much. Guys, if you need anything about Nairobi, you need to come to Nairobi, you need a tour, I'll leave my details in the description below. Like this video when you like, it will get a lot of views and it will be good for me and also Nairobi. Everyone will get to know that Nairobi is not just about the chaos and traffic jam. It's also beautiful and developed, you know. People don't think we have this in Africa. So I'm here to show you that we do. Otherwise, like I said, subscribe. These are the type of content I do. I love Nairobi so much and I love Kenya with all my heart. I'll always do something to make sure the world sees it in a different angle. And this is one of the things I want the world to see, you know. So I'll be showing you all around and it's beautiful, guys. Otherwise, like I said, let's do this, man.